Hello everyone, this is example number 2. So before solving it, let me show you the entire list of formulas. So this is the list of formulas that you should write down for future reference. Okay. Now we will be solving the question. Example 2. So I just showed you that 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. This is the formula, right? So how can I use it here? Cosec square theta is this. So let me put it 1 plus cot square theta minus 1 into tan square theta. Now 1 and 1 cancel. So it is cot square theta into tan square theta. And what is cot square? Cot square is nothing but cos square by sin square, and tan square is nothing but sin square by cos square. So these two will cancel and 1, hence proved. Okay, let's do second part of it. This is second part of the second question. So whenever you see sec square or cosec square, try to see if we can use 1 plus tan square is sec square and 1 plus cot square is cosec square. Try to see if we can use any of them. Okay, so let's put sec square is what? Sec square is 1 plus tan square minus 1. Then 1 minus, what is cosec square? Is this. So let me put it in bracket, cot square theta. Okay, now let's see, 1 and 1 cancel. So I am getting tan square theta into, let me open this bracket, 1 minus 1 minus cot square theta. 1 and 1 cancel. So we will get tan square theta into minus of this. So minus I will take here cot square theta. So this will be minus of, what is tan square theta? Tan I can write what? Sin square by cos square, and cot is cos square by sin square. So these two will cancel and answer is minus 1, hence proved. This is third example. This is very important example. You may find it in your book at page number 571. In this question, we will use this identity a cube plus b cube. What are the factors? A plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखिए. When this is plus, then the third sign is minus. So we are planning to use this identity. Write it in formula notebook, and I will use it here on this part of the question, on top part. Okay, so what we will get? Sin theta cos theta into, because I am assuming this is a and this is b. Okay, to apply this, so this will be sin square theta plus cos square theta minus sin theta cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta. And the second part, this is separate, so let me write it here, plus sin theta into cos theta. Okay, anything is cancelling. See, this is into divided by this. Don't you think these two are matching? Yes, so these two will cancel. So I will cancel these two. What is left over? Let me write down. This is left over. Okay, in this, what is this? Sin square plus cos square. We all know what is this, is nothing but 1. So it is 1, and this is minus sin theta cos theta. And what is this? I will add it, sin theta cos theta. Now these two, this is minus and this is plus, same thing will cancel, is equal to 1, hence proved. I hope you got it. Next question. This is fourth question. You will find on page 571 RS Aggarwal example. Pause it and try it on your own. So when you don't know what to do, convert everything into simple form. Everything into sine and cos. Okay? So what is cosec? Cosec you know. What is cosec? 1 by sine. And what is sec? 1 by cos. I think everybody knows it. So cosec is 1 by sine and sec is 1 by cos. Okay. Now if I take 1 here, what is LCM of this part? This part. LCM is sine theta. Okay. So we will get this and this into, right? So this is sine square theta minus 1. Now into, what is LCM here? Cos theta. So if we do this cross multiply, cos square minus 1. Now let's see. What can we do? We know one thing, one formula, that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. See carefully. We need sine square minus 1. So let me try. From this only we get sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. And cos square theta is 1 minus sine square. ठीक है? तो ये formula आपको पता है already. But here we are getting reverse of it. See, 1 minus sine square is cos square. But we need sine square minus 1. So from these two formulas, we can get two more formulas. If we reverse it, 1 minus cos square is this. So cos square minus 1 will be minus sine square theta. Correct? And since 1 minus sine square is this, so sine square minus 1 will be minus of cos square theta. Okay? This is simple algebra. I think you know it. So these two formulas we will use. I hope you understood. Pause it and see it carefully. So I am using this here. Cos square minus 1 is sine square. Sine square minus 1 is minus cos square. I am using here minus cos square theta into minus sine square theta by sine theta into cos theta. This minus and minus will become plus. 1 power of cos will cancel. Okay? And 1 power of sine will cancel. So I am getting is only cos theta into sine theta. But we are supposed to prove equal to 1 by tan plus cot. Okay? On the left side I am getting cos by sine. So let me try on the right hand side. So this was left hand side. This was left hand side. Let's try right hand side. Let's try to solve it. So how to solve it is simplify it. Tan and cot convert into sine and cos. Simple. Let me try. Tan is sine by cos. Cot is cos by sine. So what will be LCM here of these two? Sine and cos. Correct? LCM sine and cos. So this into this and this into this. So it will be sine square plus cos square. Correct? What is this plus this? What is this plus this? Is nothing but 1. So it will be 1 by, this is 1 by sine into cos. And when we have such type of expression, what will happen? Numerator as it is into this denominator will flip, sine into cos by 1. Correct? This will flip and come into 1 and 1 cancel. So answer is sine into cos. So don't you feel they are same? Left hand side and right hand side are same. So hence it is proved. The identity is proved. So I can say LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Example 5 from RS Aggarwal. This is very important question for board. It appeared 3-4 times in exam. So what can we do here? If you don't know what to do, always try to simplify, right? So cot will become cos by sine. This is 1 by sine. Okay, let's see. Tan will become sine by cos, and sec will become 1 by cos. Okay. Okay. So what is LCM in these three? 1, 2, 3 in 3 terms. LCM is sine, correct? Yes. So now this will become sine theta plus cos theta minus 1, simple, into, what is LCM here in 3 terms? Cos theta, yes, cos theta. So it will be cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. यहाँ तक okay है for everyone? Fine. What can we do now is nothing seems to be, yeah, I see one pattern here. If you can also see, I see sin theta plus cos theta, here also sin theta plus cos theta, then it is minus 1, this is plus 1. Can you see that? See, if I see sin theta plus cos theta is t for some time, so it will become t minus 1, and this is t plus 1 by whatever is down is sin theta into cos theta, correct? This part I am assuming to be t. This is just assumption. So what is t plus 1 into t minus 1? Is t square minus 1 by sin into cos. And what was t? T was this. So let me bring it back. Square minus 1 by sin into cos. Okay, first you try on your own and then check. So what will come here? Square मतलब sin square plus cos square plus 2 sin cos theta minus 1 by sin into cos. Now what can we do? Clearly I can see this pattern. Sin square plus cos square is what? Is nothing but 1. I think everybody knows that. So 1 plus 2 sin cos minus 1 by sin cos. ठीक है. 1 and 1 is cancelling. And what is left over here is 2. I'm sorry. 2 will not cancel. I'm sorry. Let me write down what will come here. We will get 2 sin theta cos theta by. So these are cancelling and we are getting 2. So this is proved. I think this was the question to be proved too. See here. This was the question to be proved too. Hence proved. So please go through this question once again. This is question number 6. You will find on RS Aggarwal 572 page number, or maybe different page depending on your addition. The cos theta 1 minus tan theta plus sin theta 1 minus cot theta is equal to cos plus sin. Important है question. तो सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. cos theta by 1 minus sin by cos, correct, plus 1 minus cos by sin. Simplify the denominator one, this part. What is LCM here? Cos theta by 1, right? So this is cos theta minus sin theta plus this is sin theta. What is LCM here? Down. LCM is sin theta. So this into this and this into this will be how much? Sine minus cos. ठीक है. What else can we do? Cos theta into this denominator will flip, है ना, and come up. तो cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta plus into this will flip and come up, right? This will be sin theta by sin minus cos, right? Now what to do? What can we do now? Simplify, that's all. तो देखिए, this into this is what? Cos square theta by cos minus sin plus this into this is what? This into this is sin square by sin minus cos. Observe carefully. What do you see? We see one pattern that they look similar, cos minus sin, and this is sin minus cos. They similar but not same. तो ये है formula, a minus b can become minus of b minus a. This is a algebraic identity. A minus b is minus of b by a. Means we can flip if we put minus in front. So I will try that here. ये वाला. तो cos minus sin, and here this I will write. This I am trying to flip, this one. So this will become cos minus sin with minus in front. So because of this minus, this will become minus, correct? Now what do you see? Now we are able to see that the denominator is same. That we can take common. Cos minus sin. And ऊपर क्या है? Cos square minus sin square. What else? We can factorize it. Cos square minus sin square क्या है factors? Cos theta plus sin theta cos minus sin, correct? Okay, this is denominator. So I feel this and this is matching. So this and this will cancel. So what is left is cos theta plus sin theta. So this is hence proved, correct? This is what we had to prove. See here, is equal to cos plus sin. So this is very important question. Solve it on your own.